Hello everyone, I'm Cricri. Welcome to my channel this week. We are starting with our Christmas specials. Today I will teach you how to make this chocolate Santa sleigh for Christmas. It is so cute and easy to make. It is perfect for a last minute present or a table centerpiece. You will love it. Let's get started. For this idea, you will need 6 to 8 candy canes. Adjust the extra plastic towards the inside and use a silicone gun to glue the 2 candy canes together. To give them more stability, glue a toothpick at the intersection of the 2 candy canes. Cut off any excess plastic and repeat the same process with the other 2 candy canes. Now we will need a Hershey Jumbo candy cane bar, or you could replace it with a same size chocolate bar. We will also need 8 to 10 Starlight mints or any hard candy with the same shape and similar design. Using the chocolate bar as a guide, align the candy canes with the mints and glue one at the beginning, another one in the middle, and the last one at the end. Make sure to accommodate the wrapper so you can glue the mint well and it stays in place. Repeat the same process with the other candy canes. Now we will glue the candy canes and the mints to the chocolate bar. These will form the sleigh runners. When gluing the runners, make sure to keep the side with the toothpick towards the inside so they are not easily visible. Now we will need 9 to 10 Ghirardelli Squares or similar chocolates in size and design. Reinforce the base of the sleigh by gluing 1 chocolate and 2 pieces of candy cane to further secure the runners and add additional strength. Now we will add the Ghirardelli Squares to the top of the chocolate bar. Glue them vertically around the chocolate bar like this and secure its sides with hot glue. In this channel, I upload creative craft tutorials and delicious recipes. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. To form the sleigh C, glue 2 Ghirardelli Squares on top of each other, and glue 2 Starlight mints together on top of the Ghirardelli Squares to form the back of the seat. Secure the mints to the chocolates behind them to give the seat more stability. Depending on the weight of the chocolate you plan on using, you might need to reinforce the runners a little bit more with small pieces of candy cane. To make Santa's big bag, we will need red mesh measuring 12 inches by 12 inches. And to fill the bag, I will be using Lindorf candy cane truffles, which are easy to arrange and give volume to the bag. I prefer to use round chocolates because they give the bag a better shape and they take more space without increasing the weight for the sleigh. When the bag is full, twist the top part and tie it with kitchen twine. To give it a special touch, I will cover the twine with a sparkly gold Christmas bow. And finally, we will need a Santa Claus shaped chocolate. Glue it well to the sleigh, applying hot glue at the bottom and back of the chocolate. Finally, arrange the bag as best as you can so it looks more organized and put together. And it is ready! Don't you think it looks precious? It is perfect for a last-minute Christmas gift, but it's still very creative and special. Honestly, it was really easy and quick to do, and it doesn't require many ingredients. You will love it. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, check out the information box below. I will be adding other similar fun and easy tutorials that I'm sure you will love. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your friends. Bye!